New York Medicaid planning attorney. Long-term care in New York comes with major financial challenges, and preparing early helps protect what you've worked for. Many families are surprised to learn how quickly nursing home or full-time home care costs can rise, often well beyond $150,000 per year. Without a plan, savings can disappear faster than expected, leaving fewer options for your spouse or children. Taking proactive steps gives you control over your future and ensures that the care you receive aligns with your needs and financial goals. Medicaid planning focuses on arranging your financial picture so you can qualify for Medicaid under New York law while preserving as many assets as possible. It may be needed if you are age 65 or older or have a disability, expect help with daily activities, or have income or assets that exceed eligibility thresholds. Qualifying for long-term care Medicaid generally requires meeting both functional and financial criteria, and your home may be treated differently depending on whether you apply for institutional care or home and community-based services. Many people assume Medicare will cover long-term care, but it does not pay for extended custodial care, while Medicaid can if eligibility rules are met. Relying on Medicare alone often results in large out-of-pocket expenses. Medicaid planning gives you the opportunity to protect assets and avoid financial hardship while securing essential care. Starting the planning process early offers clearer options. New York's 60-month look-back period for nursing home Medicaid reviews asset transfers, and if transfers were made below fair market value, penalty periods may apply. Acting before a crisis gives you more control, prevents rushed decisions, and reduces the risk of costly ineligibility periods. A lawyer can help you use the available rules to protect what you've built while preparing responsibly. The cost of long-term care creates real pressure on families. With nursing home expenses reaching six figures annually, it becomes essential to decide whether costs will be covered privately, through insurance, or through Medicaid programs. Without planning, assets can be depleted quickly. In 2025, for example, a single applicant for nursing home Medicaid must have assets under about $32,396. Planning allows you to structure assets legally so they are treated properly under New York rules rather than being consumed by care expenses. Quality care should be accessible without causing financial strain. Medicaid programs in New York may offer nursing home or community-based care when eligibility rules are met, but facilities vary in availability and acceptance. Preparing ahead increases your ability to choose care settings that meet your needs. An experienced attorney can help you align your finances with the law so you can pursue the care that fits your circumstances. Understanding eligibility rules is essential. Asset and income limits apply, but certain items, such as a primary residence under specific conditions, a vehicle, household items, or prepaid funeral arrangements, may be exempt. Countable assets include bank accounts, investments, and second homes. How assets are titled can affect eligibility, and some planning strategies convert countable assets into exempt ones when done properly within the rules. Medicaid also has protections for married couples. All assets of both spouses are considered, but the spouse living at home may keep a significant portion through the community's spouse resource allowance and monthly income allowance. Transfers between spouses generally do not trigger penalties, and strategies such as spousal refusal may be available under New York law, though they involve important considerations. Several planning tools may help protect assets. A Medicaid asset protection trust can keep properly transferred assets from being counted, as long as the trust is set up correctly and funded well before the look-back period. Lawful gifting or spend-down approaches may also help reduce countable assets, such as using funds for care, home improvements, or other permitted expenses. Each strategy must be timed and documented carefully to avoid penalties. Planning early provides the widest range of options, while crisis planning, when care is needed immediately, can limit choices. Preparing ahead allows you to safeguard your assets, secure needed care, and avoid unnecessary stress for your loved ones. A lawyer at a trusted law firm can guide you through the available tools and help you make decisions that follow New York's rules and protect your long-term goals. Acting swiftly helps you safeguard your savings, ensure continued access to care, and preserve your options. Contact Davies Law Firm at 315-472-6511, located at 210 East Fayette Street, Syracuse, New York, 13202, United States.